the ability to have coinless laundromats in today's world is easier, and it's getting more and more viable, where you can use a card to load a card and then start the machines with the card. So the cash then is kept in a very kind of isolated in the value add stations, so that those are with rear loads. And then you put that in kind of a vault almost area, so they're very secure back there. We're seeing more and more of that, where people are like, hey, I just don't want to have coins in the machines where people are going to try to break into it. Having, obviously, the new camera systems today are really easy to do. They can look at all aspects of it, and they can show people, hey, we got the cameras and we got you on, what's going on. It's super easy to do in today's world. But ultimately, it's just having a good attendant on location, that they know they're there, and that the majority of that, no cash on premise, and that we can do as much cashless as we can, seems to not invite problems of someone trying to take advantage of an opportunity. And one of the things I've had a couple of our customers do is offer free laundry to the local police department. So they'll come in and do their laundry for free. They'll do a wash and dry for them, or they'll let them use the machines for free. But build a relationship with the local police officers, as a way to say thank you. But also, guess what? When the police car shows up, frequently they know that those guys are showing up. So, it can work out both ways, where that is a it doesn't cost you very much. You're giving back to the community, but it's also, your customers know that they're going to be safe in the laundromat.